y'all, we're going to be trying to make in our convection Galanz microwave air fryer convection oven microwave beef shepherd's pie from Walmart. And I already have it on my roasting pan here with the little feet at the bottom, and I already poked holes in it. So now all we got to do is slide it into our microwave here. Just slide it in there. This says 375, so we're going to put the convection oven on 375, and we're going to start that for, on there it says 55 minutes, so we're going to go for about a half an hour and check it, and then we're going to keep going. So I'm going to have it timed for 55 minutes, but I'm going to have my timer on my phone for 30 minutes and come check it. So we're going to go. Oh, I went down too far. 55 minutes, start. There we go. And we're going to check it in 30 minutes and see where it's at. Be right back. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's golden brown on the top. We took it out at 17 minutes left to go to check it. So we're going to taste the middle and see if it's cooked through, if it needs a little bit more time. So it looks like it's not frozen or anything, so that's a good sign. So we're going to taste it. Okay, it's almost done. Needs a little bit more time, so I'd say about 10-15 more minutes. So we're going to pop it back in at 375 for 15 more minutes. And I'm going to be back and let you know. We're going to test it again, see if it's done. Round 2. Looks a little bit browner, not burnt. Around the edges. We're about to taste it in the middle, because that's where it was a little underdone in the middle. And see if it's done. Got steam coming from it. See that? See that steam coming from it? Oh boy, I think it's done. So I'm gonna blow on it. I don't want to burn my mouth. So delicious. I was basically heating this up, so. Oh yeah, that's cooked through. And you can see that steam. Look at that. Look at that steam coming off that. Alright guys, so this was a success. 375. I first put it on 55 minutes, and then I stopped it at 17 minutes to check it out. That was after my timer on my phone for 30 minutes. And then, because I forgot, when you put on convection, it asks to add food when it preheats like a regular oven. You know, if you have an oven that preheats and tells you, like beeps or something to tell you when it's preheated. My oven doesn't do that because it's a gas stove. It just doesn't do that. This thing here tells you when to add your food in to let you know it's preheated. So when it was preheated to 375, it said add food. So that's when I reset my timer on my phone for 30 minutes. Then I came and checked it, and it was at 17 minutes. So I stopped it, I checked it, that's when it was almost done. So see, in 30 minutes, it was almost done. So I put it back in for round 2 for 16 more minutes. I said 15. I know I said 10 to 15 minutes, but I like even numbers. I'm an even numbers kind of person, so I went for even 16 minutes. I figured one more minute wouldn't hurt. So, and I was right. It's perfect. Perfectly brown around the edges. It's perfectly cooked through. Because you know, you saw I took a spoon of it through the middle down to the bottom of the pan. It's done completely. This was a success, an A+. I give it a big thumbs up. I give it 5 stars right off the charts. This was a success. Comment down below if you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up in your face, and I will come back with more content. If you like these videos of me constantly trying out my Galanz 3-in-1 multi-purpose microwave over here. I'm first time user of it, so we're using it together. We're learning how to use it together. I'm trying out new recipes and I'm putting it out there to help you guys. So comment down below some recipes you want me to try that maybe you don't know how to do, or you want me to try because you tried them. I'm open to new recipes all the time. And follow me on Instagram right here. And I'll be back with more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss videos when I upload. And start commenting on my videos so I can shout y'all out at the end of every video. Once I start getting some comments, I will do a shout out at the end of every video. I will not disappoint. And I'm trying to come back with videos every day